Hello everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new here. And if you're not, then welcome back. I don't like watching videos where people just talk a lot. So I'm just gonna get into the cleaning video. It was just a short video for you guys. But I will talk a little bit throughout the video, which just takes me forever to do these because it's so nerve-wracking. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. So this was all the items that weren't supposed to be in his room, but they were. So we have 3 dogs and 2 kids and 3 kittens right now in the house, which I'm allergic to cats, but we're just taking care of them until they're big enough to find homes. But let's just say my floors are really dirty and I just got this little scrubber thing. And at first I was using it right, then I started using it backwards, but it's okay. The floors are really dirty, obviously. And then just here I'm bleaching my trash can because it stinks. I was just gonna say, the bathroom countertop, I just got it for free on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm really excited about it. The one I had before was ugly. This one's beautiful and I can't stop looking at it. And also one more thing, I did clean the shower, but for some reason my phone didn't get it, and I did mop the floors. Kept running out of storage on my phone. It was just aggravating, so I just stopped.